Hello, boss.
Boss,
Tutorial to open the link. How was
boss,
it?
it took you so long to open a link. Like, not playing.
So, hey, call me, huh?
Who is talking to?
I don't
Vegan's
know.
birthday. I'm going.
He's not talking to
He's,
us. I think.
he's talking to someone else there.
Hey,
I got so confused.
tomorrow it is, idiot. Check the time.
I'll
Today is
release it
6, tomorrow is
now.
7, idiot.
6-7.
Okay. So you
Ah.
don't know that we cleared that.
Sol. Tell me, idiot. 40 minutes recap, no? Sol. Good night. Elro, anything.
So he was on group call all this while.
Okay.
Ran J, Boricon J.
You know,
And you old mood is
Sunny. It took so long to
my
set
face
up
that.
his Discord profile. See,
Okay. Sol.
He's not.
PFP and all he was setting up so long.
You MFs, you wait. I'm connecting my headphone now to the laptop. Just wait. I don't
Connect,
know what
connect.
you're talking.
Nothing we are talking
Connect
about.
fast.
Nothing about you.
Yeah. When is Vegan's birthday? Re?
Why you want to know? You don't even know vegan.
We want to come there.
We want to have free food.
Oh, you can. I don't know you. He
You have
connected.
checked. You have checked icon, server icon.
Yeah, jump in the well, idiots.
I'll zoom it even more. Wait. Are so are we creating a new world or we are continuing our old world?
Wait, explain me, Mare, what is the game?
So we are creating a new world then.
Okay,
Okay. He
fine.
doesn't know anything, then we're creating new world.
Explain, Mare.
No, we
In
don't
the
explain like
game,
that.
What is
in the
this?
game
Survival?
you
Survival of fittest?
yeah.
It's experience. It's experience.
Okay, chal. Put me in
You
the
know how
lobby.
you know how much experience I have to give that Sunny for.
I'm expert now.
Not in that way. Not that way experience. Huh?
Create the world fast. Are which one? Snow world or
Huh?
normal? Which world are you creating?
Hey, wait. First remove the this. Your mic volume of this no. Remove that. Okay, forget that.
You
I
reduce
can
the
do it,
volume.
Mare. Mine is
What?
on
New game
toggle
and what?
only.
Snow world or what?
Old only.
What one? Name is what? What is the name?
Laudala sir.
Play spell.
Huh?
LAUDA
LAW.
Why
LAW
it matters? Just type it.
and then what?
Lesson LASAN.
Listen, okay. All friends can join, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Even the
Creating great.
WhatsApp group name is Lauda Lesson. Server name is Lauda Lesson.
Where is this guy, Precious?
Precious is dead.
Yeah.
We'll play tomorrow with him.
See, after so many days, like I want this game.
I had this
Like
game
what?
for so long. Alright. Hey,
Drown him,
what
drown
is
him,
this?
drown
We
him.
are.
Leave me there.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Like the fish.
Hey,
Let the
but
fishy too.
just now since spawn started bullying me already. What is this? Tell me the
Yeah,
law now.
yeah,
Yeah,
we'll play volleyball.
yeah, you'll play. I'll pack up everything.
You can have some beer. Arey, leave me.
Someone I caught.
Hey, don't waste the beer. Don't waste the beer.
He's true. He himself came in the water.
Lol.
Going down with him.
Arey, he trolled me now.
Hey, don't try.
What?
Look at this guy. They're bullying me.
What are bullying each other? You take this to list. Take this list and do
Yeah,
both,
yeah.
both of you.
I'll have some coffee.
Show him the manual. Show him the manual.
Which manual?
That bus manual is there over there only. Over there only it is there.
Wait.
Wait, I'll drop with my coffee.
There only.
Where?
Here. Teach the new guy. Teach the new guy.
Yeah, I don't want
You are
teaching,
there.
but I'll figure it
It's
out.
a new guy.
keeping the grave. I'm keeping
Teach
the
the new
grave.
guy.
Arey, easy it is.
The new guy doesn't know the strings. Teach him by the ropes.
Arey, we don't want manual. I'll throw it away. No manual required.
No manual required. It's like,
I threw it somewhere.
Even walkie-talkie is there.
Walkie-talkie
It's
not
of no
required.
use. It's not. Yeah. Who is thinking?
we have Discord, Mare.
Hmm.
Done, Mare.
Yeah.
You don't have to take these things.
What you will do with a dart? Wait.
Dart आने जाए. You all want to play? You all want to play darts?
You
guys-
got damaged, eh?
No.
No, Ray. You don't take damage.
You can't hang this somewhere.
अरे सनी लॉकड़ा को उठको.
Yeah. We need that. Manmu is there?
What the hell?
Check.
I'll wear. I got glasses.
Okay, who's driving? Tell me.
Not
Sure.
me.
Go drive.
I don't have a license.
Hey, get up from
Yeah,
there.
no.
Go there.
What?
There are no RTOs over here.
Where we are driving to?
We are trying that side. See there.
Yeah. Bear will come to eat us.
Go
I'll be
Mare.
on the front. Right.
You know
right.
manual, Mare? You know manual, Mare?
I think so.
I think so, man.
Press.
You know, it's the problem with today's kids. They don't know what manual to drive.
Yeah, I drive manual, okay? Wait.
I can see. What is this?
It's in first gear. What? It's not working. Engine.
Engine is also executing.
wait. I'm figuring out what.
Turn on the engine.
Wait.
My cigarette will get over here.
Wait. It's in
I'll
first
move.
gear, but why it's not?
The second one. Don't bang it. Don't bang it. We don't have repairing.
You think I'll bang? Look
Hey,
at
tell him to
Yeah.
stop somewhere. You have to stop somewhere. Hey.
Yeah, wait.
Where?
Go ahead. Go. Yeah, here we have to stop, right? No.
What the hell?
Some sign is there. Sign will be there.
Brake. Landslide will happen.
What the hell? Hey, get the cigarette out of my mouth, Ray.
3, press 3.
Acha. Okay, nice.
With that cigarette, you can run fast. If you smoke it.
Yeah, just like real life.
Sushmit vibe. Sushmit ka vibe.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm doing good, Mare. Third gear, I'll go, beta.
Oh.
What is that? There's something in front.
I think bear will come over here. Put in first gear.
Yeah, it's in first.
Stop away.
Straight you have. Okay, we have to get down.
Fast.
Wow.
Text me, Ray.
I'll also do something.
Why you get a
It's
car?
not required. Are you get the bus RV?
Acha.
Yeah. I'll rent it.
Range नहीं लगा रे. Range नहीं लगा.
Okay.
Get it on full speed. Tell him.
Full speed.
Get it on full speed. Come on.
Wait.
Engine नहीं off.
This doesn't start, Ray.
Come.
Wait.
Put in first gear.
It's
And
in
remove
first
from
gear.
parking. Remove from parking.
Oh, अच्छा. Smart guy मेरे.
We played it. Right.
For him it is left ray. For him it's left ray.
Ah, left. Sorry.
Useless you guys are. Two idiots are
Wait.
driving. Jump,
Wait for
come,
us.
come, come.
Wait for us.
Go.
Turn the radio off.
Ah, wait. I can't hear the radio by the way.
We turned it off. So we turned our music off.
Where I'm going? Someone tell me the way.
Tell him.
Left.
Oh,
left,
bhai.
left.
My bad.
Reverse.
Bus जाएगा.
Brake.
Fifth gear I put it in, right?
Hey, no.
Go.
Take it on first.
First.
Accidentally.
Hey, where is the bear, Ray?
I don't know. I'm taking scrap, but. Oh man, bro. I'm kind of shit.
Arey, left. Yeah.
Bro, you know how scared I got? Shit.
Arey, where are you?
I'm come to take scrap over here.
Wait, Rishabh, wait.
Wait, we left him behind.
Yeah.
Arey.
Bro, suddenly snake came, you know. I'm like a full dhada became for me.
Where
What,
the
I
hell are you?
was going alone or what?
No,
Where-
I'm there.
Where are you, Ray? Where are you?
Why you get down?
Idiots are made me lost. I'm lost in jungle.
Oh shit.
Okay, did you all reach the beach house or whatever?
No.
I don't know where we reach.
Somewhere we reached. रुक जाओ भैया.
I am.
रुक जाओ.
रुक जा.
रुक
Yeah.
जाओ. Hey, wait, how you do that?
Huh?
How you do that?
Press X for emoji.
Uh, hey,
And where is he? Alan,
Where are you all?
Where are
smoking.
you?
Did you all reach the next checkpoint?
No.
No.
Come to the next checkpoint.
Okay. Rishabh.
Okay,
Get
okay,
inside.
chill. You drive.
No, I'm not driving. I'm sitting.
Why I'm so short, Ray?
He's used to that height in office.
Thank you. Put it off the park. Toggle engine. Go. See? I'm learning Merit.
Yeah.
Second gear. Let's go.
We were not putting only in second gear. We were just using the first gear only. Right. We reach.
We reached somewhere.
Bro, I updated the checkpoint already over here.
Acha.
Wait. I'm outside. Okay, go inside. Go. I mean, go.
Go where?
By running, I activated a
Straight.
checkpoint. What? Where are you all?
Straight. Left.
Hey, did the map change or something? I don't remember this road.
No, it's the same. Left.
Oh.
Left.
Tell
Full
me
left.
how much also.
Okay, go straight now.
Second gear.
Left.
Put it
Right.
Oh no. Arey, shit.
SS.
Switching gear
Brake,
over
brake,
here.
S.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Right.
Pro driver, right? Don't worry. Ah, shit. Wait.
S, S.
I can hold the clutch, you know. Nice.
Yeah.
Now.
Left.
Did you all reach the lake? There's a lake aside of you all.
There's a bridge
Ooh.
over here. We reach near the bridge.
We'll wait for you, Mera. Come.
I think he's more ahead than us.
Yeah?
Hey, no, wait. I went back to search for you all. I think I crossed through from the
Okay.
shortcut I took and crossed you all. Wait, I'm coming.
Oh shit. What happens if you jump, right?
You die.
And then?
So
We
you
can
can
revive you. We can
We
revive
have-
you as many times.
No. Head 4 revival we have. See, it's written over there on top.
What?
It's on top, Mare.
Yeah.
My leg is broken or something.
Yeah, you can have food or something. It will be okay. Burgers are there.
That's like real life.
And let's not waste it on something so small as a leg.
No,
Okay,
don't
fine.
use it now.
I won't.
Oil. Where is it?
My friends left me and went in the jungle to die.
We jumped out of a moving van over here.
Yeah.
No, my friend just left me to die.
We can start MATLAB, Mera. Oops. You have washroom and everything.
Hey, wait, you all crossed the checkpoint then, Mare.
Yeah, we crossed. We are near the bridge.
Idiots will take the scrap metal, huh?
You only told you have taken the scrap material.
I have taken bare reference all want. Nothing I did, Mare. What already checkpoint all crossed and went?
You are the one who went first. You were like, I am crossing the checkpoint and walking.
We're simple people. We see a way, we go.
We see, bro, you don't know what we did in the end, near the end of the game. Like, not near the end, but simple people. Yeah, full off-road event. We just took our own course to reach the checkpoint.
Yeah.
There I can hear the RV.
I ran straight to you.
What if I jump now?
Yeah, try.
What
I
try?
can pull
What
you
try?
back. Wait, I'll
Pull me
you.
up.
Wait.
I'm hanging over here. You know that one scene from Damal?
I'm back, baby.
Pull me.
Pulling you. Are you are not coming up?
No, I think so. I don't know.
Are?
I'm coming up.
He's coming. A Technoblade never dies, baby.
Yeah, I can also. Why is it taking him so long to come?
Sunny, come in the
I'm fine.
RV and then pull him. Sunny, come in the RV and then pull.
Pull the RV otherwise.
Arey bro.
What is this?
Die.
You had to go reverse. Arey.
Arey idiot, wait, he will die.
No. I'm coming up, but it's working. Almost. One more pull.
Okay.
Work. Detach me. I'm lagging.
Yeah, I'm
glitching
detaching
over
you.
here.
Wait.
Detach. Okay.
Yeah, come. Dylan, go.
Arey shit!
What?
I died.
You're dead?
No, I don't know. I fell down.
Can you move? Can
No,
you
I
move?
died. I'm spectating this
Where?
way now.
Where is your dead body?
I'm somewhere down.
I left the remote over here. Arey, should I wrench myself and jump down? Dylan, will you pull me up?
Keith,
Oh, yeah,
what are you doing? What are you doing?
Rescue mission. Rescue me, Ray.
Arey, wrench me, I'll jump.
I did
And
all
here
of
is
that
the
to
remote.
fall through that hole, you know.
Here is the remote, huh?
Where? There he is.
Here is the remote.
Give.
Jump,
Very
jump.
easy, very easy. Very easy.
Yeah, straight down, straight down.
Hey, you
Near a
don't
tree.
fall.
See, come here. Ah,
Okay, okay. I'll leave
he's
that.
hanging.
Pull.
He's left
Arey,
only. Wait.
Arey,
Lose
bring
it,
the
lose
RV
it.
back.
No, wait. I'll take the RV back. Wait. I cannot go up only.
This is too short.
Can't you make that loose?
Jump, re.
Release that range. Otherwise, I'm flying
You
over
won't
there.
die. You won't die. His health was low.
Release me. I release me.
This guy can't fit in the RV.
Wait, I'm coming to rescue you. Here is your dead
I'm
body.
taking things into my own hand. Point.
Oh shit. I'm here, Mare. Hey, I'm
Come here,
alive.
come here. Yeah.
Hey.
Ah,
Spider-Man, Mare.
Come this side, come.
There you are.
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Okay, we are on top.
Right on schedule.
I'm throwing you up. Pull me up.
Throw me. Throw.
Pull me up. Okay.
Go.
Go.
Go, re.
Hey, Ross Sangre.
Wait.
Rasta sound.
Left.
Right.
Pull left.
Hey, what left? Okay.
Arey, this is not the way.
Somewhere we are going.
We make our own way, Baba.
Left.
True.
Okay, straight.
Oh,
Right.
100 years of experience.
Hey, what is this? Hey.
This is how 100 years of experience looks like.
Arey, bear is coming behind. No.
No.
What do you do? if
How will I
that
check?
comes?
How that sound is coming then?
That was me.
Hey, where? Sunny.
Right.
Right.
30 degrees right.
Straight. Left.
Straight.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
My all half broke.
Full speed.
Come this side.
Left.
Arey,
Little left.
idiot.
Now what to do?
Reverse gear,
Hey,
hey.
Abdul. Reverse you want?
Yeah.
Wait. Then.
Mukha gaya tha, take front of me, tell.
Yeah. I'm thinking.
Take front of me.
Yeah.
I'll push you it.
Rishabh, get that remote.
What?
Remote is there inside the RV.
Okay. Now tell me how I have to get inside the RV.
So climb on the ladder, no on top, on hatch.
Here,
Parkour, I'll do.
I went.
So helpful I am, no?
Take this remote.
And?
Right click.
Oh, I have to pull.
Right click. Yeah, pull.
You have to put something over here.
He's releasing.
No, I'm not.
You're releasing.
I'm not.
You're releasing it.
No, right?
No, you're
Pull.
The other side.
Yeah. Pull it harder.
No, reverse के बाद है.
Yeah, okay. Rishabh, reset that range.
Okay.
No, reset को ना कर. Don't pull that. No, reset
Okay.
मार. ना reset मार.
Whoa. We can't put a plank over here.
Pull, Rishabh. Pull.
Pulling.
तुमको पता है तो
Rare. Change it to rare.
Oh, my bad. Working?
No, other button. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my.
Enough.
Oh, sorry.
More.
Do it. Do something. Oh my god.
Yeah, enough.
ये smart people मरे. But I'll put this
Yo.
plank away.
Yeah, put it. Give them the remote. I will keep it inside.
Yeah.
poor guys struggling with planks.
wait. Let it settle at least. I'll jump on top of it.
Okay.
Those planks are still moving.
Yeah. What is he doing?
आ जाओ.
What are you doing?
आगे आओ.
That is a pushing action, bro. That's a push action.
Pushing action.
Whatever. Come.
Whatever you did didn't work.
Arey, it's
Yeah,
working.
No, it's not working.
Go
Range
left.
me.
Go left.
Yeah. Get the remote.
I forgot where the remote is.
Where are you going?
Who threw the remote inside? I'm throwing it outside.
Throw. Oh, nice.
Pull. No. Change it to rear. Change it to front.
No, don't release.
Pull.
Pull it. Don't release. That is the other one.
Other button. Yeah. Check on top. See the red mark. If you click the other button, it will turn to green.
Okay. It's working now.
Yeah.
Am I too dumb
Green.
to understand this?
Reset मारा है.
Yeah, wait.
Reset. Wait.
We are done. Come this side.
Go little left. Correct.
Sunny, I want to go here.
Keep going.
Come this
Yeah,
side.
good.
Hey, we can go like this, Maria.
Jump.
What is this now? It worked out?
That's our experience
We'll
suicide.
put ranch again. Wait.
Yeah.
Uh,
I'll get
put
it.
it.
Put it on this tree.
Put and
Can
pull,
I
huh?
reach over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll reach.
Can I reach? No, I can't.
Done? Wait. Go. Go, Ray. Hey, go again.
Arey, don't pull, Rishabh, don't pull. Release. Yeah.
Reached?
Okay, done. Pull.
Okay.
Rishabh, pull.
Yes. Let's go.
Should we repair the RV?
I
No,
think so.
this is checkpoint is there, no? Soon over there. We'll repair there only.
Okay.
And the road is removed somewhere inside.
Chalo, better.
Keep it over there.
You
it over
can
here,
keep
yeah.
it somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, reset it, the rear one.
I have reset that. Yeah, I have.
The back one, see on top.
Back one.
It says you can't attach over here.
You can. Over here.
Wait, I'll just drop it on.
See over here.
Where you have to put it? Okay. Nice.
There.
Okay, why are we stuck?
I don't know. I have to use the wrench again or what?
Wait.
Ah, the tire is stuck. Wait.
Just push from back.
Okay. Push. Which is that button? F?
F F. F is to push.
Push. Push him.
Done.
Yeah, done.
Okay. Go.
Sunny catch.
Why is that bear still not game?
Who?
The bear.
Why that bear still not come?
He got scared of Rishabh.
Hey. How are you doing this?
What this emojis?
No, you're like 45 degrees
What
from
you
the
did,
ground.
idiot?
Oh, job, man.
What the hell?
See, one guy take the remote and one guy take the remote and one guy take the this and go.
Yeah, I am taking the wrench.
I'll take the remote.
Hey, one guy needs to stay inside to control the car.
I think we require those poles.
Yeah, the pole. Where is the pole?
Forget the
No,
poles.
I am.
How we
No,
reached over here?
Pull.
Beta,
Pull.
Yeah, pull.
bowling. Go little left, Mare.
Rao.
No, it will work out
After
actually.
reaching up,
Go right.
After reaching up, press the brake. After reaching up, press the brake.
Wait, I'll push.
Okay, wait. Don't pull. Brake.
Oh, your brake. Fast.
Break.
Falling. The RV is falling. No, it's not breaking.
Pull.
Bowling.
Are we taking the shortcut?
I think so. It's working, but
Yeah.
Yeah, if the checkpoint is over here only. Pull. Wait,
hey.
Release. Wait. Where to pull? Snake is there.
Oh my god, I thought I lost our remote.
Where are you?
I reached.
The bear is not a snake is there, Aniket.
I'll do one thing.
Snake
I'll
is
put
there.
this remote before. I'll lose
Hey, how
it
to
so
kill
much.
that snake?
You cannot kill him.
Rishabh.
Where it is?
Yeah.
Here,
Come
man.
here. Yeah, here is the snake.
Viper, eh? Oh my
Nakli
god.
viper.
Someone's getting poisoned today.
You get poisoned if he bites you. Okay, teach him to use the hammer.
So repair कर रहा था. Sorry.
EpiPen where है?
Rishabh,
Yeah.
go inside the RV and get the hammer.
Okay. Repair hammer.
Yeah.
Repairing.
If it shows green, then only you can repair.
Okay, कौन मारना का?
Nee. Repair this side. This ladder. Repair this ladder.
Repairing.
Come this side, come.
You know, Rishabh is building, we're not just snake.
Ladder I fixed. I can hit this guy. Oh shit.
Everyone's looking at him.
Kill him there.
Rishabh.
If you have enough of this scrap, no, then only you can repair. Otherwise, you can't.
Come here. Rishabh, come here. I'll show you something.
What?
Bro, I'm leaving.
What is this?
Guy, no.
Is that motor oil?
Yeah.
That thing will blow up now. And at least we could have killed that snake.
No, it doesn't. I tried. I tried already. Didn't I?
I'm
Go
going down to
under
my
and fix it.
I fixed it already. Take for you. This one for you.
Thank you.
हो यार ये तो Take naga. He's a minor. He's minor. He doesn't drink.
Acha.
Yeah, I'm drinking over here.
But
Yeah,
you're
here there is.
no Tropicana. I said sorry.
Poison I have. How do I fix poison now?
Poison. You need anti. Hell no.
You can eat burgers. Having burgers.
No. Poison needs antidote, not burgers.
There was
Rishabh,
an EpiPen somewhere over here.
your bones are broken.
Wait down. I'm eating.
Wait. I'm having burgers.
So what is killing me now? I died.
Eh?
I ate the burger raw, I think.
You ate
can't eat
plain.
it. You can't eat it directly.
Yeah, you cannot eat raw. You got food poisoning.
Revive me, man.
Rishabh, come here.
What? I'm dead.
He's
I'm
dead.
spectating you.
He's dead, re Baba. Where is he?
Oh, on top.
Hey, Rishabh.
Rest in peace. I'll miss you.
Revive me.
I'll miss you.
Hey, say a prayer, man.
You will be missed. Hey, where's the other guy? You also come.
What, are you leaving me like this?
Yeah, we'll
You're
pray
doing-
for you.
Necromancy.
Necromancy.
Perfect. Sweet.
Jiga.
I'm dead.
It feels like you're reading Nawaz over
Arise. Arise. Arise.
Wake up.
We'll miss you.
Arise. Hey.
The first thing
Hey,
I'm
Rishabh,
smoking cigar.
Get this burger over here. Come.
Acha, okay.
Take this burger.
One burger I got, literally one.
Fully, this is there. Place it on this. Keep it on this. Throw it on this.
Okay, now we'll get bear, I'm sure.
What, a medium there?
Rishabh, let's see who will win, bear or you.
Bear or me? What is this?
And now you can eat the burger.
Acha. Oh, you get buns and everything, brother. Just
That is
Eat
right.
over there.
where is the snake now?
Deep-
Yeah,
fry it.
Here it is.
Oh my
Arey,
He's going also. I'm looking at him.
God. Drop a crate on him, but I can't pick him. Oh shit.
hey, what to do with this oil can?
Oil can throw it out. Throw it out. Hey, Army is going away.
I'll throw the oil can.
Hey,
Stop
Tarzan.
that.
What rubbish.
Put brakes on that, brother.
Yeah, I
Parking,
put- I
you
put-
did not put a handbrake or something.
I didn't put handbrake. That's the problem.
Yeah. Can it move forward?
Hey, do a wheelie there. Hey. Oh shit. Hey, release the bench.
Yeah.
I think I got stuck.
Press space.
Okay, walk. We don't have to fuel it up or something.
No, only fix the
No.
car.
Only
Done then,
fixing.
fixing part.
Yeah. Arey, where is the hammer? You repaired and did not kept it.
Oh,
in the
sorry.
RV.
Wait.
That
Even
is the important part
remote
of
is
life.
also here. I think.
Get the remote. Two remotes are useful.
wait. I'll get that thing also.
What?
Who wants to drive? Who wants to drive?
Drill.
Rishabh got bitten by a snake.
I died again. Revive me, friends.
I'm not
Where are
surprised.
you? I can't
Look
see
at
you
rolling.
only.
He's rolling down the road.
Where is?
Down the slope. I'm back, boys.
We have 3 more left now. We have only 3 more left.
I also have 3 more.
Papa, it's all. It's overall.
That snake got a kill
No,
streak
it's
on me.
over.
It's overall. Who thought it's this?
Shit.
Hey, wait. There was a cassette over there.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
bro.
Okay, let it be. Go. No music for old man.
Arey, you have not pressed the handbrake.
Yeah. There's the cassette.
It's fine.
The bear will come now. Huh? Oh,
Who hit what? We just repaired it.
Rishabh.
Nothing. Don't
Right.
worry about it.
I think there is a landmine over here. No. Not.
Hey, this is too complicated. Dial and try,
Left.
bro.
Arey, leave me. It was
Pure.
UA morning sunspark when ballers came out. Who went
Where?
outside?
Where?
Left.
We don't have a ladder.
Arey, Rishabh, come inside.
Yeah.
You did well left. Wonder.
Why you want me inside?
Wow, the door is broken now. Come this side.
Pick me. Thank you.
Hey, where?
Left. Go in.
Okay,
Left, go
here.
left. Rishabh is repairing.
We don't have a windshield over here.
And you are hitting Dylan.
Oh, sorry.
Mats se. Driver mats se.
Wait. It's broken.
Yes.
Wait. Handbrake.
Go.
Perform some stunts over here.
Rishabh, this is the best part. See, you drive. Rishabh, you drive.
You try. Arey,
Oh,
bear
shit.
is over here. Wait, I'm distracting the bear.
Go.
Oh, what I'll do?
Rishabh.
Yeah.
Get on the wheel.
Yeah, I am on the wheel.
Wait, I don't do anything. Huh?
That bear looks like a pig, you know.
Event.
No, he's behind me.
Can I through the remote? Rishabh, just throw another remote.
Wait. How
I
do you put
got
this on?
it. Get on the wheel.
I'm on the wheel.
Okay, start the car.
Started.
Start the Arvin. Come front.
Oh my god. What is happening? Help me.
He'll pull you.
Oh. Hey.
Wait.
Chill.
Wait, they have to repair it.
Break.
Break.
Brake.
It's on break. I'm holding
okay.
the brakes with my 2 fingers over here.
Put it in parking.
What if I fix it?
We'll repair it first.
How you liked it? How you liked the skills?
Nice.
Stunts.
Just like real life. I'll fix the ladder there.
Yeah, I think.
My poor baby.
We
You see what
don't
you
need
did to
this
it.
now. Only the important things will fix.
माँ किधर मारता है तो भाई माता मारता है
Why are you coming near me?
Oh, there is a health thing, no? I have to fix it anyways. Then.
Okay, done. The scrap material is
We
over.
don't have a roof over here.
It's not required.
I hated where. I'll kill it someday.
Go, go, go!
Should I go?
Sunny, now two bears are going to come.
Second
Yeah,
gear.
I'll go to distract them.
We'll have to wait while we're distracting
Hmm.
because we need one more person for that type of thing.
Ah, yeah. Wait, I'm going out.
Done, reached. Stop, stop.
Yeah.
Rishabh, come here to place the plank.
Place the plan.
Yeah.
This guy is done. I'm chilling over here.
Come, come.
Yeah. Come, Rishabh.
Put a plank.
Ah,
Come, come, come.
More? Remove it.
Sunny, come push.
wait, I'm placing the plank.
Place the plank first. Place the plank first, Dylan.
Which plank?
In front of me. Wait,
I'm
let me
going
see.
to get the scrap.
Okay, I have so much space over here.
Why has the bear not arrived yet?
You got scared of that guy.
We have to use the range. Pull, pull. I'm pulling it, okay?
Wait. 1 second. Let him place the plank first. Wait. Okay.
Hey, Paula. Don't pull. Wait. Now pull. Pull. Stop. Okay, pull.
Oh my god. Done,
Okay,
Maria.
I'm Yeah.
Done.
Come.
Wait. I'm inside. Where is Dylan?
Where is he?
Wait. He's outside. Bear came. He's. I'll distract the bear. Wait, I'll distract the
He's
bear.
absolutely over here. What?
He
Like,
looks
Wait,
so
wait.
funny. Dude.
I'm behind him.
Oh shit.
hey, Sunny, get
Rishabh, go in front. Rishabh, go in front. Rishabh, go. Go ahead.
Sunny,
Going.
Sunny, there's a repellent in the bus and RV.
What?
Sunny,
Huh?
bear repellent is in the RV. Get that.
So it's okay. Let him kill you.
Oh.
Sit.
And the bear is eating him.
Where is he? One more.
Tell me the way. Tell me the way.
Wait. Let Dylan come. Repair the roof.
Can you see scraps over there? Can you see scraps? Huh?
No.
Someone tell me the way.
Go here, ahead. Left.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and
Nice
Furious.
and slow.
Let's go.
Right, right. Oh my god. Reverse.
Someone fix it.
Reverse, reverse. I think the tree is inside the bench.
We can go.
Left, huh?
Oh my god. I don't think I'll make it.
Oh, wait. It makes that amount of damage, bro.
But it's fine, right?
No, it's
Wait.
not fine. We'll,
I think something
we'll
broke.
get through. We get
We
thrown
need
back
to
to.
repair. Wait.
They throw us back to the checkpoint.
Yeah.
I think
have to
a
change the
tire
oil.
or something got stuck.
Done. Oil is put.
Then?
Tire. Wait. Oh, wait, do that. Repair the tire.
Why it's not moving? What are you doing?
He's tightening the tire. Come this side.
Come inside.
Arey,
Going. What is this now?
Bear.
bear. No, not bear.
Moose it is.
Go behind. Okay, come this side.
What is this side?
Where I am.
Left or right?
Straight. Come straight. Right. Left.
I'm stuck. Somewhere I'm stuck.
Those are those dead creatures. Left. We
Got it.
It's so fast paced over here, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh shit.
A bear is over there. He's keeping.
Beat him, मेरे.
I'm run. Bear is behind. Eat this carcass.
Die, Sunny. Down. That frame is there down over here. On that.
Why is this bear not going? I'm smoking cigar to run fast as I can. Okay. I'm inside the water now.
Sunny's bad influence on society.
Wait, he's coming. Ah! He's killing me. Where he went? Okay, he went.
Supplies I got. Stop.
Is there one more scrap?
No. There's a remote over here, but
Hey, Sunny, put a wrench. Take the wrenches on top.
Wait.
where's the ladder? Come over here. Someone has a hammer.
There's no ladder. That's the problem.
Put a ladder. I'll keep this thing on top.
We don't have scraps.
We already have. No need of that.
Okay.
I got a cold coffee. Come this side. Okay. Wrench we have to do. Rishabh. Pull with the remote.
Why what happened?
Come.
Wait. Where's the remote?
What? Remote is not required, right? No. Remote is not required, I guess.
Why is the remote required? Remote at wrench.
Hey, wait.
Why was the wrench required?
That only.
Come.
Go. Oh, hey,
अरे
drive,
this
Ray,
race.
drive, Ray.
अरे
मैं
Drive,
कितना
drive,
drive
drive.
drive.
Keep driving. Shit, Ray, I'll have to go, I think, huh? Where we are on checkpoint?
What?
Where we at checkpoint?
there the behind after before the lake.
Oh, I'll have to go,
Get
I
inside,
think.
get inside.
Wait. Technology. I throw you on the up there, beta.
True. But my health is very low.
Oh shit.
Not
Oh, you
dead,
died.
bro.
wait, I'll revive you. How we have to go on top
Yep.
now?
We have to get this down, I guess. Yeah.
Nice. Watch this.
You wanna die again? I know.
Perfection. Hey,
Arre,
what
arre.
is this? Hey, pick me.
Where are you?
I'm down. Hold me. Take me up there.
Come here.
Hey, Sunny, checkpoint is not over here. It's on the other side of that bridge.
I can see my cat, Mary. Throw it. That's how you'll come now. Oh my god, parkour.
Where are you
Where's the
already?
checkpoint? Behind.
Come. No, come.
Get that guy.
Collect the scraps first. Collect the scraps.
Oh, okay.
The down scraps are there, no?
Yeah.
I got burgers also.
Simply
Do
I
we
said
require a
yeah. I
ball?
don't know what is going on.
No, don't try. Don't simply waste space.
Burger.
Bear spray, Mary.
Burger.
Oh, there are bear sprays over here.
Yeah. Display on the there.
Obviously. What you explain is explaining about bear sprays.
Perfume.
He started explaining me what a bear spray is.
Yeah, how to click a link.
Tutorial. I will
Done,
get
done.
that,
Can we
Mary.
reach?
Someone do
reach
this
over there?
parkour. Yeah.
Yeah.
We tried.
We can.
Nice.
No.
This guy is doing it, Mary. Say. Hurry, we can place planks over there, idiot.
Arey,
Baba, hey, simply don't take this. We don't have this revival.
Hurry.
okay, I'm coming back.
Wait. I'll get planks, Mary.
Where are you?
Wait.
I'm
Work
going ahead
smart,
to get
Ray,
those
not hard.
scraps.
No, forget the scraps.
There is one
Let's
helmet of watermelon.
just go to the checkpoint and save it over there.
Yeah, okay. He's
Or else we-
playing. Arey,
Never mind. Come back.
idiot.
Come back. I'll catch you. Wait, come here.
Okay.
Oh, it's here only, huh?
Okay, come. This is a once in a lifetime moment for you all.
What?
Done? You all came?
Wait. I was facing the plane. Go.
Okay.
Showing the way there. Sunny.
If we
Once in a
mess up,
lifetime. We have to jump, I guess. 3, 2, 1, go! Arey, hey! What the heck?
Oh my god.
I'm upside down.
Somehow we reach.
Yeah, we reached the checkpoint.
So much scrap metal over here.
In the end, it's not enough.
Yeah. You know.
Okay, done. Checkpoint updated. Now we can leave.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll continue tomorrow, brother.
Okay.
Come early, huh?
What time?
Anytime early, but
Any time I can early this thing. What is this?
around like evening time.
Yeah, in
I
college.
basically called you yesterday. This is next day. You literally came the next day.
Call precious also. Call precious also.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll get him. We will be able to start from here only.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
This was a full ROE, you know. Just a few moments ago.
And we'll chug one beer, brother.
Okay, chalo. Chalo, one last drink, guys.
Come outside, but huh?
Come outside.
Take this. Oh shit. Take. There are two of them over there.
Idiot is killing me.
Wait. I'll keep this thing.
Hey, cheers. Come, get a beer.
Wait. Get it over.
Get a
Where's the
beer.
beer?
He doesn't have any.
Wait.
Wait, huh? 3.
What you all are doing?
Wait. What you all are taking?
Give a toast, Malik.
Who is doing screen recording?
Okay,
Who's doing that?
I'm literally doing it.
Okay. There, what toast for? What is the toast?
Say, Malik, what do you want to speak about?
Sunny, his honors.
Sunny.
We'll
Very
talk
honest.
about Dylan's girlfriend.
Talk about it.
Take my cigarette also for that.
What we are doing?
Nothing.
It has been toast to our checkpoint, to victory.
Yes, 2 victory. 3, 2, 1. Chug.
Cheers, guys.
Let's go.
Chalo.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Sorry, उडवायचं लागायचं. I'm dead.
I have a happy
Revive
pen
करा.
with. Hey, drop it. Hey, fucker.
Revive मार.
I'm also dead.
I have.
Sunny, congrats, you just removed 2 painkillers for us. 2 revival, dude.
Hard mode now.
Wait. Don't die. Don't go down.
कैसा जाता रे बाबा.
Why is your body upside down?
Why
It
I'm
feels
so-
like you all are sleeping over there.
Dylan is more fat than me, Mare.
It's because the hand is.
I'll take a screen. Done. I took a screenshot. You can leave now.
Chal, bye.
चलो, bye. Good night.